Hi, how are you today? Good, I miss you. We've got our last word for our word of the day for this week. So making sure you have your paper and we need to write today's date. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. So I'm gonna write 4-30-20. And you know, today is my sister's birthday. Kind of cool, huh? Okay, when you have your date on your paper, your word today is the word glad. Write the word glad. Glad. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, we're gonna get started. Fingers up, let's stretch it out. Ready? Glad. Say it fast. Glad. Okay, let's count how many. Ready? Glad. How many sounds today? 4. Good. Okay, what's the first sound in glad? G, g, g. We're gonna make magic C. Line up, monkey tail down. Ready? Next sound. G. Oh yeah, like Leslie and Louise, letter L. When I write letter L, I need to start all the way at the ceiling. Remember, letter G had to break through the ground. So I'm gonna start at the ceiling and go to the floor. Glad. Letter A. One more sound, let's do it. Glad. Letter D, magic C, pull it up. Back down. Glad. Making sure your letter G broke through the ground and the rest is on the floor. Letter L and D go to the ceiling. Okay, my friends, I hope you already started to think of words that rhyme with glad. Mad, sad, sad. Okay, I've got a new word that I haven't done yet, and it's the word had. Yeah. So I'm gonna go H, had. Okay, and here is our sentence for today. I'm gonna say it first, then we're gonna say it together, and then you're gonna count how many words, okay? Here we go. When do you feel glad? Say it with me, ready? When do you feel glad? Okay, say it by yourself. Count how many words. See if you can do it. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? When do you feel glad? How many today? 5. Okay, our first word, when. When's kind of a tricky one. We haven't done it a lot, but it's one of our H brothers. Wah. Like really, do you remember what that one is? WH, good. Remember, when we start our sentence, we need to start with a capital letter. N. E-N. When. Did you finish writing it? You should be writing with me. Not when I'm done, writing it with me. When. Spaceman. What comes next? When. Do. Good. Do is a sight word. How do you write do? D-O. Nice job. Magic C. Up and back down. D-O. You gotta read it. When do you? Good. How do I write you? Y-O-U. We should all know that word. We've done it a lot. When do you Feel. How do I write the word feel? E. Oh, you know what? For this one, to make it say E like that, we have to have two E's next to each other. So F, E, E, feel, L. Good. Feel. Let's read it. When do you feel glad? Write your word of the day. Write the word glad. And remember, glad means like happy. It's a good feeling. You are proud or, yeah, happy. Okay, what do we need at the end? Let's read it and figure it out. Ready? When do you feel glad? Hey, if we are saying when, that means we're what? Asking a question. So we need a question mark. Good. Okay, let's read it one more time now that we're done. Here we go. When do you feel glad? Nice job, boys and girls, making sure you read it to at least one person in your family. Tomorrow you will have your word of the day quiz. Bye.